and welcome to the Science Show. Here's your host, Natalie Russell.
Thank you. Welcome to the Science Show, the show where we discuss science. Today we're going to be looking at carboxylic acids. I have no idea if that's how you pronounce that. Carboxylic acids. So, what is a carboxylic acid? That is a great question, and we're about to find out, because I haven't read this page yet. Carboxylic acids have the functional group COOH, or as I like to call it, COO. Says their names end in anoic acid. I think that means like methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Anyway, carboxylic acid reacts like other acids. They react just like any other acid with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. The salts formed in these reactions end in anoate. For example, methanoic acid will form a methanoate, ethanoic acid forms an ethanoate, etc. Yes, I know. It's exciting. Anyway, an example of this is ethanoic acid plus sodium carbonate, which is the carbonate, forms carbon dioxide and sodium ethanoate. So that's ethanoic acid, the acid, plus sodium carbonate, the carbonate, forms carbon dioxide from the carbonate and sodium ethanoate, which is the salt. Carboxylic acids dissolve in water to produce acidic solutions. When they dissolve, they ionize and release H+ ions, which are responsible for making this solution acidic. But just because they don't ionize completely, because not many hydrogen ions are released, they just form weak acidic solutions. This means that they have a higher pH, and they're less acidic, than aqueous solutions of strong acids with the same concentration. And I hope you know what that means, because I have no freaking clue. It says the strength of an acid isn't the same as its concentration. Concentration is how watered down your acid is, and your strength is how well it's ionized in water, apparently. Some carboxylic acids are fairly common. Ethanoic acid can be made by oxidizing ethanol. Microbes like yeast cause the ethanol to ferment. Ethanol can also be oxidized using oxidizing agents. So ethanol plus oxygen gives you ethanoic acid plus water. Ethanoic acid can be dissolved in water to make vinegar, which is used for flavouring and preserving foods. I'm sure you knew that. Even I knew that. Citric acid, which is another carboxylic acid, as you might have guessed, is present in oranges and lemons and is manufactured in large quantities to make fizzy drinks. It's also used to get rid of scale. Carboxylic acids are used in the industry to make soaps and esters. Carboxylic acids with longer chains of carbon atoms are used to make soap and detergents. So longer chains of carbon atoms, soaps and detergents. Carboxylic acids are also used in the preparation of esters. Ethanoic acid is a very good solvent for many organic molecules, but ethanoic acid isn't usually chosen as a solvent because it makes the solution acidic. And that's it. I didn't take any of that in. None of that registered in my brain. But I hope it registered in your brain. I have nothing more to say now. I hope you... I hope you had a carboxylic time. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a nice night revising carboxylic acids. I know I will. Bye folks.